Right, this is how I make my DIY fire starters using a cardboard egg box, any old sawdust, old birthday candles, any old pot, used candles, just melt them all down. And what I'm going to do is put sawdust into these containers here, melt the wax down, just pour it onto the sawdust. I could use the wicks to hold in the middle there to ignite, or if not, you just cut along here, then you light the edge. Right, here I've got the candles in there, as you can see, a bit of water. It's on a quite a high heat, and once that's melted down, I'll pour it into this. As you can see, I've filled with the sawdust. Now I can see if I could get some of these old wicks out from the birthday candles. There's one. Don't really need these, it's only because I'm melting candles down. I might as well use them. Just basically just plonk it on the top there. I don't know if you can see it in this camera. And I've got a wick to start that one, and I'm going to do the same with the rest now. You just sort of fill it to the top of the sawdust, like so. Let it sink in. Right, just leave that to set now, let it dry out, and then you can cut them out individually, or you can use the whole lot if you really wanted to, but I would cut them out individually and ignite it on the cardboard or on the wicks. Me personally, I don't normally use wax fire starters because it leaves a right mess on the cooking pots and things. But you can rub a bit of fairy liquid around under the pot before cooking. That helps cleaning out the end of it. It wipes off a lot easier and don't stain so much. But this is just another method of a fire starter.